Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome. If you are new, my name is Charlen, and on this channel, we discuss everything beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and you stay a while. In today's video, as you saw in the thumbnail, Bath and Body Works is having their $5.95 sale going on right now. And as the day I'm filming this, they're also dropped an additional 20% off coupon for those who are interested. So I did a buy online, pick up in store, but I did also have some additional items that my store did not have that is on its way. So I will have a follow-up video of me hauling those items. But these items were the ones that was in my store. So if you want to see what I decided to pick up, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys. So we did a video probably about a couple of weeks ago at this point. They dropped the new Everyday Luxuries. And I told you guys I was going to hold out. I was going to hold out and hold out, did I? And everything I wanted was still available. So my store had some of my items. One of the items that I really wanted was not in store, but it was online. So I did get it online. And so here is what my store still had. So majority of these items I believe that's in here was my everyday luxury stuff. So I told you I did a ranking in that video of what was my favorites. Like what was my favorites from the everyday luxuries. You know, they had the Love Unleashed. That's that Love Don't Be Shy dupe. They had the Hello Happiness. That Clinique Happy dupe. What was it? Saltwater Shorelines or what have you. That Joe Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt dupe. Didn't care for that one. Always Fleur. That Dior J'adore dupe. Then they brought back Infinite Radiance, you know, the Valaya dupe. They brought back Pink Obsessed, which is, you know, my beloved Donna Born in Roma dupe. So all the things. And then they had, which was my favorite, was the Ude Coconut, which was that Ness Balinese coconut dupe. So my store ran out of that one. So you knew I was like, ooh. That was my favorite. I'm like, oh no. I went in store the day before the sale, and you know, it's kind of funny how they did things because they did the sales. The sales that they was doing like the last week or so leading up to this sale was buy 3 get 1 free. That's not a deal. And then the day before they dropped the $5.95 sale, they did the buy 3 get 3 free. Yes. So I was like, I hope nobody went in there like, oh, I could get 2 extra free ones and went and got their stuff. And then they dropped the sale the next day and they don't know nothing about it. Because, you know, not everybody is on board or keep up with all the sales like some of us who are, you know, either watching the videos or do content creation, who keeps track of what Bath and Body Works does. So I held out that 1 extra day because I was tempted to do the buy 3 get 3 free, but my Ude coconut wasn't in there anyway. So I'm like, you know what? I was still tempted to go ahead and do it on my Love Unleashed, but I said, you know, I'll wait because they sent the emails out, and I didn't get the email talking about the sale was going to happen the next day, but quite a few people did. So I knew the sale was coming the next day, just didn't know what the availability was going to be because I knew people were holding out. And when they dropped the buy 3 get 3 free, I thought that some people was going to like try to scoop up a lot more stuff, but thankfully they did not. And my items were still available. I added everything to cart and I just waited till the sale came. And whatever items was available in my store, I just had them do the BOPIS on those items and then ship the remaining items to me. With that being said, these are the items that was in store that I did go ahead and pick up. So, Always Fleur, when I did my first impressions in store with you guys, I did enjoy this one. And I told you that I was going to either get 1 or 2 of these. So I decided to go ahead and get 2. So like I said, this one is the one that is supposed to be that J'adore inspiration from Dior. And this smells so good. But it's been a couple of weeks. It still smells so good. This one has shimmery pear, silky rose petals, and cedar musk. Yeah. This is such a beautiful, feminine, fruity floral scent. It's so good. Yeah, this was the one that surprised me because I didn't think I was going to like this one. And then I end up loving it. So if you love the J'adore line, the J'adore scent profile, you're going to love this one. I never purchased it, but I do love J'adore Lower, which I know is a flanker to this scent. But I'm happy to have this one in this, the Always Fleur in the body mist form. This is gorgeous. It's a nice, feminine, fruity floral fragrance. All right, so you guys, I went ahead and broke down and got one of the Covered in Roses because I said I already had it in the other packaging. But this is a rose scent that I love. This scent profile, that rose with the kick about it, I love. And so I love this scent. So I know I'm going to get good use out of. And this packaging on this one. So let me go back. I didn't show a close-up of this one. So this is a close-up of Always Fleur. This was the typical luxury packaging they were doing. And this is the Covered in Roses one. You see how they changed the packaging for this year? And I showed you guys this whenever I was doing the store walkthrough. And I was focusing on all the roses scents. No, I love this one. Let me sniff it again. Because I heard some people saying something about they don't know what the quality of some of this stuff is going to be like going forward. And I'm curious. This still smells good. Yeah. So Covered in Roses is that Parfums de Marly, the Lena exclusive inspiration. So this one has ruby berries, sugared rosebuds, and blush ambers. This smells so good. Yeah. So this is a good one. And the packaging on this is sublime. This is gorgeous. All right. So the other thing my store had was the Hello Happiness. Hello Happiness, which is the Clinique Happy dupe, was another one that I was surprised about. I did not think I was going to enjoy this one. And this was one of my favorites. So if you don't know, if you didn't see that clip, my shorts on this, my video discussing the Everyday Luxuries whenever it dropped, I went on and on how much this surprised me. Never worn Clinique Happy, never have. I have the Clinique Cocoa and Cashmere scent, I believe is what it's called, and I have it like in a travel size, not a full bottle of it. But Clinique Happy has been around for long time. Some people wore it back when they're teenagers. Some teenagers still wear it today. Some of them don't even know what Clinique Happy is. It's been out for a long time. But I've never smelt it, never put my nose on it. So this was my first take on the actual fragrance. So Hello Happiness, like I said, this is the typical luxury packaging that they've been doing. And this one has sparkling citrus, bright apple blossom, and golden mimosa. So let me spray this one because this one I thought smelled so good. I was so surprised by it because I thought the mimosa note was going to throw me off, and it doesn't at all. Yes, it's nice and bright and sweet and citrusy. Yeah, it is so good. This so surprised me. Yeah. When they say sparkling citrus in there, they nailed it. This is beautiful. I don't know how close it is to the actual scent because like I said, I never tried it. But what I can say is that I love this mist. This mist smells so good. And I'm not big on citruses, you guys. That was another thing. It got citrus, it got mimosa, and I'm like, I don't know how I'm going to like that one. But it surprised me. It smells so good. So Clinique Happy, I am very happy with. Pun intended. All right, so the next thing I got was a couple of the Love Unleashed. This is Killian's Love Don't Be Shy inspiration. This Love Unleashed. This has sugar pink pepper, warm neroli, and whipped marshmallow. This, if you are a gourmand lover, you love all the sweet, you know, give me the marshmallows, give me all the sweet goodness, you are going to love Love Unleashed. So, I told you that when the sale finally happens, that I was going to pick up a bunch of these, and I did. So, we got these two, and then I got two more here. So we got four of these, because this is a scent profile that I absolutely love. And this, let me tell you, it smells so good. Oh yes, it smells so good. How you getting all the good stuff? The neroli and marshmallow blend in here is so beautiful. The pink pepper just gives it a nice little kick to it, but not too much. It's nice and sweet. Yeah. But that sweetness, that sweet pink pepper, that neroli, and the marshmallows in here, giving it that nice, airy marshmallow sweetness. So good. So good. So, you guys, I have more on the way. Like I said, that was what was available in my store that I actually wanted for now. But like I said, it's another order coming. So whenever it does come, you'll see a follow-up haul to that. Along with the 20% off items, you'll see that. So tell me, what did you get during the $5.95 sale? Was you tempted to get anything? Did you hold off and say, no, I don't need anything, I still want to use what I have? Or did you get a couple of these everyday luxuries? I want to know, what did you do? Drop it down in the comments, so I would know what did you guys have an interest in or what you were eyeballing. I could tell you one thing, with them doing a 20% off flash sale situation, I've been eyeballing that butterfly holder. You know the one I'm talking about, that glass butterfly holder. That thing is like $50 or something like that. I can't remember, $45, $50, forget what it says. It's beautiful. You know I love the butterflies. You're my butterfly beauties. I love the butterflies, and it's like, it's so gorgeous. I really want that so bad, and I have a feeling that before I get my hands on it, it's going to sell out. But I am not, I repeat, I am not paying no full price for that. And although the 20% was very tempting, I'm still not even going to go for it for that, because that thing is ridiculously way more expensive than it need to be. But anyways, I digress. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.